According to statistics maintained by Swiss-based Levitas, the notional open interest of the dollar value locked in active Bitcoin and Ether options contracts on major exchange derivative has increased to $20.64 billion. The total almost exactly matches the peak reached on November 9, 2021, when the price of Bitcoin exceeded $66,000 or 90% over the prevailing market cost of $34,170. To put it another way, compared to November 2021, the open interest in contracts term is much higher now. Derivative contracts known as options grant the buyer the right but not the responsibility to acquire or sell the underlying asset at a fixed price on or before a given date. One puts and one call option provides the ability to purchase or sell. Whereas a put buyer is inherently negative on the market, a call buyer is implicitly positive. The record activity indicates the market makers and investor-related flows in the options market will have greater influence over the spot market price. The majority of open interest in Bitcoin is focused on ITM calls or calls with strikes below the prevailing market rate of the cryptocurrency. Over the last 2 weeks, traders seized calls as Bitcoin surged from $27,000 to $35,000.
According to three sources, Indian banks are providing incentives for executing transactions using the e-rupee, the central bank's digital currency, in an effort to increase volume. According to the sources, the benefits are comparable to those provided by the banks on credit and debit cards are vary from cashbacks to reward points. Since they were not authorized to communicate with the media, the sources chose not to be identified. 1 million transactions per day is the aim by year's end for the e-rupee pilot program, which the RBI launched in December. However, retail transactions are still falling short of the goal, averaging about 25,000 per day, prompting the central bank's push. In an effort to draw users, the central bank has added additional capabilities, such as tying the virtual currency to India's well-liked real-time payment network, UPI. Smaller independent lenders like Yes Bank and IDFC First Bank are providing reward points that may be redeemed for reservations for travel, smartphone recharges, and cashback through FASTag, a highway toll collecting system. According to two executives at each bank, more banks, including as Union Bank and ICICI Bank, plans to provide such incentives. Most of the incentives are short-term measures, which will assist in momentarily increasing volumes. However, banks won't continue to provide such incentives in the absence of clear business plan.
A significant cryptocurrency upswing has resulted in a global spike in Google searches for buy Bitcoin, with searches in the UK increasing by more than 800% in the past week. The search phrase buy Bitcoin surged a whopping 826% in the UK during the course of the 7 days, according to information from cryptogambling.tv. Although individuals from the United Kingdom topped the list, there was a discernible rise in queries from people worldwide about buying Bitcoin. Google Trends data shows that over the past week, searches for "Should I buy Bitcoin now?" from American users have surged by over 250%, while more specialized queries like "Can I buy Bitcoin on Fidelity?" have climbed by over 3,100%, expanding even further. Throughout the past week, there has been a 110% global increase in searches for "Is now a good time to buy Bitcoin?" By contrast, the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF had a 250% growth, indicating a wider interest in details around BlackRock's exchange-traded fund for spot Bitcoin, which is presently awaiting approval. The rapid surge in interest coincides with a sharp rise in the price of Bitcoin over the last 2 weeks, with the cryptocurrency momentarily hitting $35,000 on October 24th for the first time since May 2022. The excitement appears closely linked to the approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF, which many pundits believe will unleash a fresh wave of buying from institutions. That's it in today's special segment. For more such updates, follow 3.0TV or log on to our website at www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code to know more.